the 7th anniversary of the 15 July Democracy and National Unity Day and to inaugurate a kids' playground in the memory of the victims of the heinous coup attempt that occurred in my country, Turkiye, in 2016. At around 10 p.m. on Friday, July 15th, 2016, members of a terrorist group tried to stage a coup in Turkey, attempting to depose the democratically elected government. This coup was staged by a clique inside the Turkish armed force linked to the Fethullah Gülen terrorist organization. Tragically, 251 citizens lost their lives during the violent terror campaign and more than 2,000 were injured.
We have installed a playground for kids here at the Nairobi Arboretum. We believe that our people who opposed this coup attempt are the heroes who saved the future of our nation, and they gifted us a future with hope. So we decided to make this playground area to invest in the children of Kenya, who are the future of Kenya. On this occasion, as a small symbol of the contribution of July 15 to our future, we wanted this playground, which will live under the name of 15 July Memorial Park, to contribute to the happiness of children in Kenya, the future of Kenya.
Nairobi Arboretum attracts visitors both local and also international. It provides walking path for both adult and also children, babies on stroll, people on wheelchairs, and also it is a very nice recreational facility. Every month, an average of 27,600 people visit the park, whereby 9,000 are children, which means they comprise 30% of the visitors for this arboretum in a month. You find